let me go.
Never let me go.
I lay it all down again.
I lay it all down again.
Just to hear you say that I'm your friend.
To hear you say that I'm your friend.
You are mine. You are mine.
You are my desire.
And no one else will do, no.
No one else will do.
No one else can take your place, Jesus.
No one else can take your place.
To feel the warmth of your embrace.
Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. Happy weekend. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Saturday, 20th of January 2024, and our topic today na God's Best Friends Part 2. We go see our memory verse for Isaiah chapter 41 verse 8, and it talks say, "But Israel na my servant, the people wey I choose, wey be my friend Abraham children. Make we go read Hebrews chapter 11 verse 5 to 6. Na there our Bible reading dey. Na faith no let Enoch die, but God carry am go and nobody see am. God word say, before God carry am, Enoch don make belle sweet God. Nobody fit make belle sweet God if you no get faith. Because anybody wey come meet am must believe say he dey alive, and he dey reward people wey use their whole mind find am. Na the message. From our yesterday talk so, I wan believe say una dey very interested to be Baba God best friend. If na so e be, una must go observe those people wey don be friends with am, and una must do wetin those people do. One better thing wey una fit observe for those people life be say dem get faith well well. Faith na one big better thing wey person who wan be Baba God friend need. The people wey go be Baba God best friend no go just get faith, but dem must get plenty faith wey be say dem go dey do some kind things wey be like say e no make sense for other people eye. Romans chapter 4 verse 18 talk say Abraham believe God even though hope no dey. Dat one na correct faith wey big well well. You no only believe for im heart, but you also show am by the things wey e dey do, when e tell everybody make dem dey call him and im wife papa and mama of many nations, even when dem never get child and dem don dey old. Romans chapter 4 verse 19 talk say he no think for im mind say im body don die. He trust God like mumu. You fit get that kind faith for God wey be say you go dey talk and do some kind things wey go make people wey no understand about God come dey imagine whether you dey normal. You go fit see Bible as book wey get power well well pass any other thing, even the law wey dey this life. If God see this kind faith for person body, he go draw the person come inside well well. The time wey I just start to dey know God, I be learn something for one Sunday school class say we fit see faith like when pikin fall from building wey tall well well, because the papa talk say make e fall, he go catch am. That pikin no fear to fall at all because he know say im papa go catch am. Na when I hear this kind thing, I come dey jump up and down without fear, because I know for my mind and I know for im word say he go catch me. I don observe say if I talk some kind things wey get weight well well, or do some kind things because of the faith wey I get for im word, e dey always draw me close to am. You fit be Baba God padi wey be say una padi go tight well well if you fit get mind do some kind things with faith. if you fit believe when hope no dey, and you fit be mumu for other people high because of the kind things wey you believe for Baba God's word. You no go only see him word show for your life, you go also notice say he don draw you close to am because he wan make you be one of him best friend. The important thing for this message today be say if you no get faith, you no fit make Baba God belle sweet. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.